Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm currently at a lake that I like to summertime fish, and I'm going to be in the basin doing some crappie fishing or bluegill fishing or whatever. Want to bite out in the basin here. I already caught 2 crappies. I caught a lot of dinky fish, and I'm going to see if I can just get into a couple nice either crappies, either bluegills, anything. And I really hope you guys like this video that I'm filming today. And if you do, don't forget to leave that like, hit that subscribe button, share this video. That means so much to me. And stay tuned for the upcoming action. The action is going to be hot today. Oh, I just missed one, guys. Yeah. Here he comes again. Come on. Come on. Son of a gun, he smashed it, but I wasn't ready. It's really cold out, guys. Everything's freezing up. My reel's frozen. Come on. Yep, here it comes. Got him. Doesn't feel like a big one, but I got him. Nope, it's not a very big one. It's so cold. Fish is starting to freeze up already. But show you guys, nice little crappie there. Thanks, buddy. Get you guys fixed up here. Come on. Guys, I just switched over to a jig and using a different rod now. Yep, here it comes. Oh, you sucker. These guys are being really finicky now. Comes again. Oh, different one. Yep, here he comes. Got him. Little up hit. It's just a little guy. I got two crappies on the ice. My camera, or one of my batteries died, so I was trying to switch the battery, but then they kept eating while I was trying to switch the battery, and I couldn't turn on the camera in time. Just a little guy. Thanks, buddy. Oh no, don't keep your fin out of the water, buddy. It's a little cold. Got him. I have no idea if I caught that on camera or not. But it's just a little guy. Yep, just a dinker. I went back to the spoon because kept getting too many bluegills to come up and eat it, and the bluegills aren't that big, so had to go back to the spoon. Another little guy. Thanks, buddy. Drop it back down there. I'm fishing in 33 feet of water, and these fish are anywhere from 30 to about 20 feet. And I'm jigging high to try to get the ones that are really high. He might be coming. Can't. I just found my biggest school yet. Yep, here he comes. Oh yeah, got another one. Ooh. This guy's gonna have to go home with me. His eyeballs are just absolutely bloated out, so. The guy's only like, I don't know, 7 inches maybe. Maybe 8. But, I don't know, this guy's probably 8-incher. But he's all bloated. As much as I don't want to keep that guy, it's better to keep them if they're gonna die. Guys, I got another one. Little guy. Little guy, little guy, little guy. This one's okay. Because I caught this one pretty high, so. Oh. My hands are just frozen right now. Drop back down. Yep, here comes another one. Ooh, missed that guy. Yep, here he comes. Racing up to it, racing up to it. Got him. Oh, it's just a little guy. Choked it though, look at that. Absolutely just choked it. Thanks, buddy. Oh. No. Stop. Let me help you. Fix your jig so it's shaking down. I got a freaking huge school of fish here. These fish are probably mainly bluegills, but this, oh man, smoked it. Came shooting through the school and just absolutely hammered it. I can't believe I missed that bite. Yeah, here comes another one. Man. I'm guessing a lot of these fish that I'm missing are just little guys. And they can't get the whole lure in their mouth, so they're just coming up and nipping at it. My line's frozen. Let's drop it past these little guys. Go down a little bit to the lower ones. Got him. Ooh, feels like a nicer one. Oh yeah. Oh, almost. That's another nice one, guys. It's probably like a 9-10 incher.